How to fix WhatsApp business profile picture error. To fix WhatsApp business profile picture error, first determine if the issue is with or uploading a new photo or if it's visibility problem for your customers or not. So what you need is first thing first, you want to ensure the image is a JPEG or PNG. WhatsApp sometimes fail to process image stored only in cloud as well. So try downloading the image to your device first as well. And WhatsApp prefers a ratio of 1:1 square aspect ratio. If the file is too large and or an odd shape, you could use Phone's Gallery to crop it before uploading as well. And next, you could also ensure you're running the latest version of WhatsApp Business from the Google Play Store or an App Store as well. So just make sure to update the app. That should also definitely help you out. Now, next thing you could also use or try using WhatsApp Business Web. If the mobile app is glitching, you could log in WhatsApp Web and try updating the profile picture from your computer as well. Next, you could also check your privacy settings or maybe check your internet connections as well. So this way you'll be able to fix your WhatsApp business profile picture error as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.